In this video I would like to talk to you about the equipment. You see those beautiful instruments? They are like a Spanish guitar for a flamenco player. So we talk a bit of skis, a bit how we put the skis on, how we tied our boots, make sure everything is ready to go. Oh my god, I cannot stop! How do we carry the ski, guys? There is mainly two ways. If we are in a busy place, so we are surrounded by people like in the queue of the gondola, it's better to keep the ski vertical and just carry like this with the tail at the bottom and tip facing the sky. But if you walk in town and you want to look cool and you don't have anybody behind you, just put the front of the binding back on your shoulder and let your body carry the weight of the ski, and just use the front arm to balance it, and then you go and slide in town like a pro. We have the ski brake here. Those beautiful corns here. They have two main functions. One is to don't let the ski slide when you lose them, because they're gonna stop it. But also the other one is when you collect your ski, you put one ski light on the top of the other one, and then you slide it back and they lock together.
It's important that you have one of the ski's brakes on top of the other. This is good, and you'll notice they're locked. So when it goes on the shoulder, they don't slide. However, if the brakes are the wrong way around, like so, when I come to put the skis on, they're gonna slide apart. Another thing you can do is you can pick up the ski from the binding. If I do it the wrong way around, that's gonna happen. My hand goes under the front binding, this arrow shape here, and I can just hold it nice and easily, do what I gotta do.
Now we're gonna talk about boots, guys. We have two examples here. We have what we're talking about, to have a boot tied properly, strap on properly. This is what we don't want to see. First of all, because it's so uncomfortable. Second, you're gonna ruin your feet and your holiday won't be a pleasant. And third, it's so hard to ski with these boots like this. And then you see the strap is twisted. We remove it, we're checking the tongue is in properly. We go over the strap, tied it, it's very important also. The most important buckle will be this one, that tie your tibia on the boot, and also the bottom will give you more precision. Now you don't need to suffer too much, but on the other side I can tell you it won't be the most comfortable things you put on your feet. And also we finish with pants on the top to guarantee waterproof. Normally I just wear one pair and the sometime, obviously if you will be cold, we're gonna have a hot chocolate or a mulled wine, and we're gonna open the boots a little bit so to have more circulation go through and get better, but that will be hard to ski with 3 socks on, definitely. Thank you guys, thank you for your time. I hope you learned something from the lesson of today, how to make sure that you have your ski boots set to start the lesson, how to carry the skis and all the equipment in introduction.